It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm thrilled that you're joining me for a 3-minute journey. If you quietly follow along, I would greatly appreciate it. Get ready for some exciting adventures. When visiting Inle Lake in Myanmar, there are several must-do activities that you shouldn't miss. Here are the top 5 things you should do. Take a boat tour. Explore the beautiful Inle Lake. By taking a traditional long-tail boat tour, these tours allow you to witness the stunning scenery, floating gardens, and stilted villages that surround the lake. You'll also get to see the famous leg-rowing fishermen in action. Visit the floating gardens. Inle Lake is renowned for its unique floating gardens, where the locals grow fruits, vegetables, and flowers. These gardens are built on a system of floating platforms, made of water hyacinths and mud. Take a boat trip to the gardens, and witness the traditional farming techniques used by the local Inle people. Explore the local villages around Inle Lake. There are several traditional villages inhabited by various ethnic groups. Take the opportunity to visit these villages, and learn about the local culture and way of life. Indian Village, with its ancient pagodas, is a particularly popular destination. Discover Phang Da U Pagoda. Located on the lake, Phang Da U Pagoda is one of the most sacred sites in Myanmar. The pagoda houses 5 ancient Buddha statues that are covered in gold leaf to the point of being unrecognizable. During the Phang Da U Pagoda Festival, held annually, the statues are paraded around the lake in a grand procession. Experience the Inle Lake cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to savor the unique flavors of Inle Lake's cuisine. The lake is known for its delicious freshwater fish dishes, including the famous fermented tea leaf salad Lafat Thok. Try local delicacies and enjoy a traditional meal at one of the lakeside restaurants. Remember, Inle Lake is a serene and picturesque destination, so take your time to appreciate the natural beauty, and immerse yourself in the local culture while you're there. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.